Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is June 16th, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Salesforce acquires Fin for service. BCI restores communication at home. Pokémon Go scans power military maps. Facebook adds AI mode. This episode is sponsored by Rocket Routine. Run your company with an AI operating system built for founders who want to move fast without losing control. Salesforce is acquiring Fin, the AI customer service platform, for $3.6 billion. The purchase is meant to complement Agentforce and give customers more ways to deploy autonomous AI agents in support workflows. Fin's core product is an AI agent that resolves complex requests across channels including live chat, email, WhatsApp, SMS, phone, and Slack, and it runs on the Apex model built for support. Salesforce says the technology will improve autonomous problem-solving, lower service costs, and speed AI adoption in service teams. The deal is expected to close in the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2027. Salesforce bought Informatica for $8 billion. A 45-year-old man with ALS used an implanted brain-computer interface at home almost daily for 19 months. After day 281, caregivers could set it up. He then used it independently, averaging 9.5 hours daily. Over 444 days, he communicated nearly 2 million words at an average decoding rate of 56.1 words per minute. About 53% of sentences were immediately correct. Benchmarks reported high word accuracy. More than 90% of electrode contacts remained usable. The study covers a single patient, and the device is wired through the skin, posing infection risk. Experts stress it decodes intended speech movements, not free thoughts.
Ad break.
Your company has a strategy, but does it actually reach your team every single day? Most founders spend more time managing the system than running the business. Rocket Routine OS connects goals to daily execution using AI operators that work while you focus on what matters. Less firefighting, more output. Join the waitlist at rocket-routine.com. AR scans volunteered by Pokémon Go players trained Niantic Spatial's spatial AI, which is now paired with U.S. defense firm Vanter to help drones and systems navigate when satellite signals fail. Niantic added opt-in phone scanning in 2021, and millions of users mapped streets, buildings, parks, and trees, producing, according to reporting, billions of visual mapping data. Niantic Spatial and Vanter say early tests cut localization error by up to 70% and achieved about 1.5 meters accuracy. Vanter also won a one-world terrain contract worth up to $217 million. Meta is rolling out AI mode on Facebook, a conversational search that synthesizes answers from public posts across the platform, including groups and reels. Instead of scrolling through results, users can ask in plain language and receive a summary of what people are discussing. Because the system pulls from everyday posts, accuracy and freshness are concerns. Misleading or outdated information can slip through. Facebook is also adding AI photo presets and new video editing effects, plus a creator assistant that recommends posting times and summarizes audience comments. Meta aims to make Facebook stickier and diversify revenue. Subscriptions start at $3.99 a month. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.